let's start talking. What is going on, guys? This is DragsterTV here, back at it again. Today we are outside working on the Joyner. Today we will be doing a quick little teardown. As you guys may know, the garage is pretty packed full of some stuff. So today we are working outside on the Joyner, where we happen to get it off the trailer at. Today's main goal is to, get the engine off the back? No. What are we doing?
We're gonna drop the rear cage that has the engine in it. That's all the weight that.
So that we can, because this can all unbolt, we're gonna unbolt the back where all the weight is, and we should be able to carry pretty much the whole thing into the garage. That way we can have a proper workspace. So far what we've done is we've unbolted the top. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there we actually have the top. I don't think you guys can see it, but we have the top right there. It's just a big metal thing. You guys may have seen it. And we're just going to be keeping all our tools right there. Essentially, we're just going to have a time lapse of us just working until we move it into the garage, and we'll keep you guys informed of any current things going on with it, or anything that just happened. So that, I'll catch you guys with the time lapse. Now plug it into the rack. So. Okay. See. Alright guys, we've just gone ahead and gotten the top roll cage off. Alright.
You took the headlights off. We have the rear cage, which houses the motor, suspension, all that. It's a rear whatever.
Swing arm.
Yeah, it's loose. It's the jack's holding it up. So just got to finish with the cargo rack, the gas tank, and then we'll carry it into the shop.
Yep, should be pretty nice. So far what I'm doing right now is trying to take off the gas tank currently, and then the cargo rack at the same time, any bolt I can get that is on top up here. And so far it's going pretty well. Having a good time, and I think we're making some pretty good progress for being outside and not having all our tools at our quick access. I know our toolbox is in there, but still, it's better to have them all out here. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys once we pull this off and get all of that in the garage. And yep, see you guys then. I thought I was recording, but sadly I wasn't. Basically we just went ahead and took off the top of the roll cage, as you guys may know. So now I'm gonna keep you guys on a time lapse until that comes off, and then I'll show you guys us carrying it all the way out into the garage, and it should be pretty nice. We are going to try to lift off the back, isn't that correct?
Well, yeah, kind of lift up.
So we just
run away from it.
Okay. So we've just gone ahead and unbolted the cargo rack and the gas tank inside.
Unfortunately, we don't have any room in the garage. Get over there. Yeah, stuff to do that. Yeah. Let's just pull it away. There's something still holding on. Oh. One little ground.
I'll be safe.
We're gonna probably keep it.
Yeah, scrap it. Yeah. Awesome. We'll grab the camera.
Okay, we're done so we get it in the garage, because then we gotta strip all the wires and label them. We're gonna strip everything and label it and sand it all down.
Yep. Alright, well, this is it. Pretty nice. Yep, a lot of work to go.
This bracket here, this bracket for the swing arm, we're gonna take that and move it out here. I'll show you on that side.
Okay.
So this bracket here is gonna come out here and be tied into a tube piece on the other side, or a square tube piece. And then our trailing arm is gonna come back from here. So this mount is gonna be utilized here for a trailing arm, and then we'll have two arms coming off the back where the axle is.
And we are not reusing this engine, just so
No.
you guys know. Yeah.
Maybe never. But we're gonna put long trailing arm suspension in the back. We're gonna beef up the front. We're gonna put two hoops right here. We're gonna come off of this. We're gonna come off and do a hoop, okay, like that. And so our shocks mount taller. We're gonna have longer travel. We're gonna mount our winch in here. We'll build a custom bumper. And probably at least redo the upper A-arm.
Make it longer.
Well, they're just kind of cheesy, so we'll probably redo this A-arm. The A-arms for it.
Yep. Alright, well, that's pretty cool. good job with taking off a lot of the stuff. Yep.
Now the work begins.
Yep. Now the teardown is, not completely over, but for outside right now. Now once we, sorry, no, it's okay. So once we clear out room in the garage, that's when this thing will be in there. And then start the next video involving this machine right here will be in there in the garage. And yeah, should be fun.
We have to find a donor. We have to find an engine or a donor vehicle. We're still up in the air. Snowmobile, motorcycle, something, some donor vehicle that doesn't
probably
need a lot
not
of work.
670. 670s they're easy, and you can, like, with a machine like this, you can use a 670 really easily. But I don't know, they're pretty expensive, and I think we can find like a whole bike or snowmobile or something for.
We have a third option. We have a 724cc Kohler V-twin that's horizontal, so the shaft is coming, or I mean it's horizontal engine, so we'd have to get a 90-degree gearbox, and we may look at that, because if you look at the style of this, even your 670 wouldn't really fit because of all this, unless we whack all this off here. But if we lay down that 724, it lays in here real good. It might actually be just a perfect candidate. All we need is a 90-degree.
Yeah, and I forgot about that.
And that thing could be, I mean, 724, that's no joke. That's plenty of power.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll figure it out soon.
Yep, definitely should be pretty good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you have an amazing rest of guys' day or night. And with that, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.